Y'all know what that is. The muscadines in the sky, right above the dogs. Start right up there and go all the way up there. Look at that. All them muscadine grapes, all up there, and I can't even get them. Wild muscadines above the dogs. Ain't that crazy? They'll fall down all the time, and if they don't get too smashed by the dogs, I might clean up a few of them and eat some. I got some more growing out here, but that's the biggest one right there. And they everywhere. Muscadines in the sky. Full. About 30, 40 feet above on the trees. Yeah, that messed up. That is messed up. And I love grapes and muscadines. Can make some muscadine wine with that too. Way up there. Look, way down here with the dogs, way up there. I tell you, nature make me mad.